Well, here's a cold start video for you guys. This thing hasn't been running since August. This is when I actually brung the thing up. Now, this is my 1993 Mercury Villager. It's the LS edition Mercury Villager. I don't know what makes the difference because they're all the fucking same in my eyes. This is going to be the next year's Derby vehicle. And the best thing about it is I got a bunch of GoPros. So now I can mount some GoPros in a couple different areas. I can mount one probably by like the pedals there so you can see what's going on when you're actually in the Derby. And then I can mount one like on the ceiling or something, maybe facing backwards or something. Or I got a couple of them, so I might do a couple different angles. Maybe a helmet mount one so you can see what's going on in the front and shit when I turn around. But this thing, oh my goodness. Okay, I gotta put you right here for a second. This thing has a 3-liter V6. Right now there's no coolant or nothing in it because it was just plain old fucking water in the thing. Which I'm hoping there's nothing in here either. No, there isn't. Okay. It should be all drained out. Yeah, looks it. Good enough. Oh god. Get your ass back on there. Yeah, this right now still has a full exhaust on it, but the guys kind of rotted out. There's no oil in it, which who cares a shit. It's a Derby vehicle. I ain't gonna beat the shit out of it right now, so good enough. I checked it. Done. But we can hook this battery up. Probably gonna take a couple tries, because no my luck, I don't have the fucking good connection. Yeah. I hear the dinging. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, we got lights. We got lights. Ugh. Oh no, my key fell out. I don't have my key, but she kind of well used and abused. It's typical Ford fashion. But this thing only has 179,000 miles on it. But it's totally fucking rotted, so it's 44 degrees outside right now, according to this. Ooh, I don't have no trip. Okay. But let's see if she starts. This thing has some shitty ass gas, so gonna have to give her the ow. Of course. Battery connection. Or at least, unless this thing's fucking dead. Yeah. Won't be surprised if that battery's dead. Okay. Let's try it again. There we go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Pump it. Pump it. Pump it. Oh no. Oh no. Pump it again. Pump it. Pump it. Give her some. Wake her up. Wake it up in the morning. Fuck yeah. This is the best thing ever. Hey, let's turn the heat on when there's no coolant or nothing in it. Let's just turn the heat on. Oh, no, that's a bad idea. Nope, that was a bad idea. That was cold. Otherwise, this ain't a bad vehicle. I wish I can actually have it running, but does it? Oh, hey, the four ways work. Does the rear defrosters and shit work? I don't think this thing has heat. No, even with coolant in it, it never had heat, so that's never gonna fucking work. But I don't know. Oh, but this has one of them stupid flex plates going from the the crossover on the manifolds to the cat, and that's kind of fucking broken. So, well, otherwise, here's how it runs. Coil type of deal, distributor. You know, she don't run bad. She does giddy up and go, so. I mean, if I moved the freaking truck, I could probably take it for a rip snot, but I could take you around the track too, so maybe I can do that here. Let me move my truck. I got enough gas in this thing to keep it running. Move my uncle's truck here out the way. I'll take her for a lap around. I can show you the track that I got up here. Getting in the old dirty ass fucking 40 here. Oh, there's no key. Oh, here's the key. We can move this guy back this way for right now. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get out. Okay. Get my ass out of here. Oh, get my ass out of here. Forward that mirror so I can get my fat ass out of here. Okay. Okay, here we go. Oh, yeah. Now, this thing has no fucking brakes in it at all, so this is gonna be fun. But otherwise, I could take you out for a lap at least. Can't get it too hot. I don't really want to melt the fucking thing because there's no coolant or nothing in it. It had water in it, so I drained it all out just so it don't freeze. Oh, smell the cat. Okay, I gotta shut this. Okay. I'll just do a little poo. It's good enough. We'll get in this road hot fucking bitch here. That fucking thing right here. Does the heat actually work? Fuck no. Still cold. Still cold. Do the wipers work? Oh, I forgot on the wipers. Well, now. Okay. Let me get this here. Let me get this here. Motherfucker. Listen here, you dirty ass. Listen here. Listen here. Okay, you're gonna be staring at the window here for a minute up in the air while I clean this window off a little bit. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay. brakes. PG. Oh, yeah, here we go. Oh, yeah, get some. Oh, we're getting some. Oh, wait. Okay. This guy's got to come down a little bit for me. Drive. Not going to be the best view, but could possibly turn on the heat. Maybe it might work after a while. Who knows? I don't know how good the view is going to be, but we bottomed out. But anyway, this here's going to be the track. You come through this way, and you can either go anywhere through here. You come up this way, you know, you can go down. I wish you can actually see. Maybe I'll just turn this off for now. Let's do this. Well, of course, you come around this here little loop here, maybe sideways for thing you do, and then, oh my goodness, and then you just whip it. You whip it up through this way, and then when you hit right about here, you can actually jump it, and you go through this here deadly ass fucking spot. Backside of the shit a little bit, a little bit, and then you come out this way where we just started at. You go back down through, you whip it around again. You don't fucking die this time because there's big ass holes there, and then you're back on the main track again, which I'll show you actually in that Jeep, because the Jeep's actually better for this thing. I'll get my guy. Because then if you really wanted to, you can go around the pond. I'm not going to take this, it's only front wheel drive. But you can go either way, really. It don't matter which way you actually go. It's fun going the other way, because then once you whip around that thing there, then you can just jump the freaking thing. But yeah, once I'll get the Jeep running, show you, and then, but I won't park this fucking thing back up now. Maybe I could do it without fucking hitting nothing. Get it up a little bit closer here this time. Oops, I hit something. That'd be good. But anyway, there's your freaking cold start and a ride around the track. It was fun. Real fun. But next thing you see, this thing here, probably maybe another rip. Actually, a little bit maybe of a full send type of deal, but I guess I might fix that thing so I can start that thing up. Cause I can't start it right now, because if I start it right now, it goes in drive. Fucking Christ. I have to turn this light up a little bit. But yeah, there's your cold start. And I guess the next video will be an update on the truck and Chevelle. What else? Yeah, truck and Chevelle. That'll be your next update videos. Now I can't get this damn hood open. Oh, she's a hot one in here. Oh, what happened? There we go. Yeah, I'm a dumbass. Okay, you see, no windshield wipers right here. Dummy. Oh, whatever. Okay. Well, there's your cold start. And yeah, I don't know what's. I don't have the keys to any of these other ones, so I can't really start them. So I don't have the key to that one either. But I guess like that one's typical Ford fashion. But okay, there's your cold start video. At least one of them out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So probably ain't gonna be on one day when I do all these videos. It's gonna be a mixture of it, but we'll get her done. Okay, I will talk to you later. My ass is gonna head out into the woods for a little bit, possibly, or either I'll just wait until later on the night. But I'll see you in the next video. Later.